Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganit Shiksha. As this channel is based on mathematics, so here you will get all the latest information and more important discussions related to mathematics. Today I am here to discuss with you about most important MCQs and its solutions from the chapter Coordinate Geometry of Mathematics for Class 10 CBSE and ICSE Board. Before to start, those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest updates. First question, if the distance between the points 2, -2 and -1, x is 5, one of the value of x is, and you have the four options. Let me see the answer. Answer is option B, that is x equals to 2, and you have the explanation. Question number 2. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points A -2, 8 and B -6, -4 is. You have four options. Let me show you the answer. Answer is option C, that is -4, 2. You have the explanation. Question number 3. The distance of the point P 2, 3 from the x-axis is. You have four options: A 2, B 3, C 1 and D 5. Let's show you the answer. Answer is option B, that is 3. Question number 4. AOBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are A03, O00 and B5, 0. The length of its diagonal is, and you have four options. Let me show you the answer. Answer is option C, that is √34, and you can see the explanation. Question number 5. If P A by 3, 4 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points Q -6, 5 and R -2, 3, then the value of A is. You have four options. Let's show you the answer. Answer is option B, that is A equals to -12. You can see the explanation given. Question number 6. The points A 9, 0, B 9, 6, C 9, 6 and D -9, 0 are the vertices of a square, rectangle, rhombus and trapezium. Choose one option from the given. Let me show you the answer. Answer is option B, that is a rectangle, and you can see the explanation given. Opposite sides are equal, also diagonals are equal, so it is a rectangle. Question number 7. If the distance between the points 4, P and 1, 0 is 5, then the value of P is. You have four options. Answer is option B, that is P equals to ±4. Very important question number 8. The area of a triangle with vertices A30, B70 and C84 is, and the four options are 14, 28, 8 and 6. Let's show you the answer. Answer is option C, that is area is 8, and you can see the explanation given. Question number 9. The ratio in which the point P 3 by 4, 5 by 12 divides the line segment joining the points A 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and B 2, -5 is, and you have the four options: 1:5, 5:1, 1:3 and 3:1. Answer is option A, that is 1:5, and you can see the explanation given. Also, you can see the top of the screen, the pop-up screen is coming. Here you can see more related videos of class 10 mathematics syllabus. Question number 10. The ratio in which the line segment joining the points P -3, 10 and Q 6, -8 is divided by O -1, 6 is, and you have the four options: 1:3, 3:4, 2:7 and 2:5. Let me show you the answer. Answer is option C, that is 2:7, and you can see the explanation given. Hope you have liked these all question answers. This is very important MCQ type of question and its solutions from the chapter Coordinate Geometry of class 10. So I know that it will give you more knowledge about this topic. So hope you have liked it. If you really like it, please click on the like button and share it to your friends, groups and mates, and also those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest updates. Also, you can see the description box. There are also many important classroom videos is given. Thank you for watching.